All right, ladies, let's talk about setting some goals, really breaking them down and making them easier to grasp and making small goals to reach large goals, okay? I've created this little goal sheet for you that lays it out pretty easily, hopefully gives all of the formulas to really make this quick for you, okay? You're gonna make retail goals and also profit goals. Why retail goals? Because you're going to earn promotions and incentives within corporate by reaching retail goals, okay? Why profit goals? Because you're going to earn cold hard cash. They are different, okay? Over here on the retail goal side, let's look at this first. I have two formulas, and you get to choose which one you want to use. This is to start small and make a big plan up here. This is to start big and make it small and break it down, okay? So we'll do both of them, okay? On this side, if we're gonna look at something small and make it big, the first question to ask is maybe the number of parties you want to do per week. Let's put 2 right here. Let's say you want to do 2 parties per week, okay? That turns into this many parties per month. On this line, it's going to be this line times 4. So guess what? I've got a calculator right here for you, okay? 2 times 4. It's going to turn into 8 parties per month, okay? My party sales average is, now everyone's party sales average is different. It's very important that you know your own. Over the course of doing some parties, I hope that you understand how to figure out an average. Add all of your party sales up and then divide it by the number of parties, okay? Figure out your own party sales average. For this little equation, we're gonna use the average that Pure Romance gives us. The average consultant's party sale average is $430 per party, okay? On average, I will sell this much per month. This line is going to be line B times line C. So this 8 times the 450, on average, you are going to sell $3,600 per month if you're doing 8 parties a month, okay? I will sell this much this year. This line is going to be line D multiplied by 11. The reason 11, yes, there are 12 months in the year, but multiply it by 11 because that's just kind of the ebb and flow of the business. You're going to have some higher months, some lower months. Over the course of an average year, it's a good idea to just multiply it by 11. So 36 times 11 is going to be you selling about 39,600. Okay? Now, you'll notice I didn't end there. I added one more line that says, I want to push myself and sell this much this year. I would bump that up to 40K, maybe even 41 or 42, just depending on how much you want to push yourself, okay? Did that make sense? Hopefully that's line by line. That helps you understand. If you're starting small, thinking, I want to do 2 parties a week, this is what it progresses into. And this is a doable yearly goal, okay? This is your monthly goal. This is the yearly goal. But let's say, if you want to start big and make it small, let's say you want to sell 65,000. That's going to reach you, that's going to get you to President's Club, okay? This is a big number, so we're going to break it down and figure out how much you need to do per month, okay? I want to sell this much this year, 65,000. To make this happen, I need to sell this much per month. Again, you're going to take the 65,000, 65000, divided by 11 months. Not by 12, divide it by 11 because of the natural ebb and flow of the business. That's going to be you selling about 5,909. I mean, I would probably up that to 6K, okay? This is going to be how much you need to sell per month to reach this. Again, my party sale average is blank. We're going to use 450 again. Okay. So, based on that average, I need to do this many parties per month. This field is going to be line B 15909 divided by line C, divided by 450 is going to be 13.1 parties. Basically, I would up that to 14, okay? Excuse my chicken scratch. My phone is propped up on one angle and I'm writing from a different angle. To prepare against cancellations, I need to book this many parties per month. Again, you're not going to end here. You are going to up that to, you need to add 2, okay? This field is line D plus 2. So you need to have 16 parties per month to achieve that. If, again, that looks like a huge number, you guys. This is based on a $450 sales average. As you're partying, if you're doing 10, even 8 parties in a month, you're gonna be practicing pretty well. This number is gonna be higher, okay? So these are all hypothetical, but basically, hopefully this gives you a little know-how to start with a big number, break it down so it tells you how many parties you need to be doing per month, okay? As I'm doing this, I'm realizing maybe I need to add a little roundup line right here. So I would round this party number up. So you saw that I took it from 13 to 14, okay? I'll have to edit that. So then let's look at this side. These are retail goals. And again, these are goals that are going to get you promotions and incentives within the business. But profit goals are different. This means actual money in your pocket. This is your income. This is your profit, okay? Whether it's a credit card that you need to pay off, whether it's a trip you want to save money for, whether it's a new car that you need to save money for, okay? You have this dollar amount that you need to be getting profit for. Maybe if it's just for fun, but put a number on it, okay? Let's put this number on it. Let's say I want or need to make this much money. Let's put $4,500 right here, okay? Just for ease of numbers. $4,500. I want or need to earn it in this many months. Put a timeline on it, okay? Let's say you want to do it in 3 months. Okay? Again, my party sale average is, we're using the 450. Based on that average, I will make this much per party. If you're selling $450, that's not your profit, that is the party sales, okay? So this line is going to be line C. My daughter just sat by me. Line C is 450 times your buying discount, okay? Let's say your buying discount is 40%. Whoops, excuse me. 450 times 40%. Oh, it is. Okay. That's going to mean that your profit is $180 per party if this is your party average, okay? Based on that party average, I need to do this many parties. This is going to go back to your main number. This line is going to be line A, 4,500, divided by D, your profit, divided by 180. That's going to turn out to be 25 parties. Okay. I did add a roundup line right here. If this ended up to be like 25.2, I would round this up to 26. Okay, follow me. So, but it did say 25, so we're going to stick with 25. 25. So then, based on my timeline, line B, okay, I need to do this many parties per month. So this is going to be line E, which is, sorry, we're making this 25. Hope I'm not confusing you. We're keeping this 25. So it's going to be 25 divided by line B, which is your timeline, divided by 3 months. That's going to be 8.3. Based on my timeline, I need to do this many parties per month. 8.3. So I'm going to round that up to 9. I'm going to need to do 9 parties, but you'll see I don't end there. To prepare against cancellations, I need to book this many parties per month. And this is going to be line F plus 2. So 9 plus 2 is 11. For you to pay this much off in 3 months with a $450 party average, you need to be booking 11 parties per month. Plan on 2 cancellations. It will happen. Guess what? If it doesn't happen, my daughter's starting to encroach on me. If it doesn't happen, you booked 11 parties, you held 11 parties. That's awesome. But if you have 11 parties on your books and a couple people cancel, because it happens no matter how long you've been in the business, it will happen. You'll still always have those 9 parties, okay? These are the formulas that I've used to break down my own goals. This is how you do it. So print this sheet. Print it frequently, okay? Do this, I would say, even monthly, every other month, quarterly, however often you need to be just re-evaluating and figuring out where you're at and what you need to do. This is now yours to use, okay? But remember, okay, profit goals don't have to depend solely on you. Offer the opportunity. As you're sponsoring women and building a team, you will make profit grow exponentially. Make sponsoring goals to reach your profit goals faster. So these are money goals, but with these same concepts, make your sponsoring goals. Plan on building a team, especially for the profit side of things. But you guys, just for the satisfaction and fun of it, I have not enjoyed anything more than building a team. It's been amazing. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Hopefully this makes it nice and easy. I am actually going to revise this before I post it. I want to add a roundup line right there. So let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.